Hello everyone, welcome back to Steel House Design AISC. We continue to apply load on the structure. Click on the did load. Click on the load and area. The did load we input 0.1. Click, 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 click and click. Change to the light load. Light load for industrial building. Yes, steel house. It's reaching they use 0.3 or 0.4 for the more economical reason, and you should follow the design code. In the case I keep you 0.4 for large area of rows. Okay, click, click. Now we complete did load. You can show the magnitude of load. Escape. Click on the loading. Click on type. Yeah. We apply did load 0.1 and the line load is 0.4. For the wind load, click on the winds. We use the low rise building. And the high to ground, you can ignore wind below. And the roll angle, yes, the software detect automatically. And the minerals and the longitudinal 36 is correct, and the width of the building is 24 is correct. Next, the basic wind speed convert from the zero code to AISC. So the basic wind speed from the zero code, the gap factor 10 minutes, and the gap factor in the AISC is 3 seconds. So we convert from the zero code by multiply with 1.52. Okay. Calculator. The basic wind speed, we take it 22 in zero code, multiply with 1.52 is equal to 33.44. 33.44. For return period 50 years. Okay. And the enclosure classification, partial, and we use the enclosed. Next, create the minimum design wind load cases. Click on the finish or check the details. Click on the finish. Save file. Click on the wind load cases. Auto. Select all. Min design load include. Yeah, min design. Take it all. Okay. Okay. Complete. Now we complete for the did load, light load, and wind load. Continue to the load combination. Load case. Load combination. Before you create combination, I want to alert you about the design and setting. You should check for the steel structure. The software recommends using the direct analysis method of the chapter C AISC 316 to run the second order direct analysis. We should use the tau is equal to 1. Yeah, we fit it. And include the notional load. Yeah, include the notional load. So in the case, come back to load combination. Combination generate. We use the final. You can select the operating or erection. Click on the next. The combo for the ASD. We use for the LOSD only. Keep it. Next. And this is for the NL for the notional load. We might include the notional load to run second order analysis, direct second order analysis. We use only the direction 1 or direction 2 is annoying. I think it's annoying. Keep it. I will show you where is the direction 1 and where is the direction 2 in the software. Click finish. Change envelope. Add. Click envelope. And scroll down. See select. Okay. Seal. Come back to the structure. Click on the structure and show the building direction. Yeah. It is the direction of the building, direction 1 and direction 2. And select on the dead load. We apply the dead load on slab. Okay. Type 1.2 for the dead load. Click on the slab and change it to the light load 1.82 for the light load. Click on slab again and click on load to check escape. Click on load, show the touch, yes. Check the magnitude of load for the dead load, yeah, on rows and wall panel and on slab 1.2 is correct. For the light load, yeah, is correct. Check for the wind load. It is the wind and direction. You can change direction and show the wind zone, rose type. This is the type of rose, wind zone. And check for the net for the area apply load, net pressure. Change it in different direction. Okay, and change it. And area, this is area. And apply load. The apply load on each area. And check for CPE and GCPI. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Next step we will continue to run analysis and design. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.